Are you looking for the perfect way to bring your family together, away from screens and into hours of laughter and bonding? Look no further. Today, we're diving into the Mexican Train Dominoes set by Spin Master, a game that's capturing hearts and sparking competitive fun worldwide. This stylish, portable set has everything you need to start an epic family game night. Stick around to learn why it's the ultimate choice for players of all ages. The Mexican Train Dominoes set by Spin Master is more than just a game, it's a premium experience. Designed for ages 8 and up, this set includes high-quality domino tiles, colorful train markers, and a central hub for gameplay. All of this comes neatly packed in a durable aluminum carry case, making it perfect for storage and travel. Whether you're at home, on vacation, or hosting a game night, this set is ready to roll with you. Let's talk gameplay. Mexican Train Dominoes is easy to learn yet endlessly entertaining. Each player starts by drawing a set number of tiles and taking turns placing them to form their own train. The goal is simple: be the first to use up all your tiles. But watch out for the twist. Players can join the communal Mexican train and block others from completing theirs. It's a perfect mix of strategy and luck. This game isn't just for kids. Its mix of strategy and accessibility makes it ideal for teens and adults alike. Whether you're competing head-to-head or teaming up for a shared train, it's a fantastic way to connect and unwind. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some math practice for younger players, all while having a blast. Looking for the perfect gift? The Mexican Train Dominoes set checks all the boxes. It's compact, durable, and suitable for nearly any occasion, birthdays, holidays, or just because. The sleek aluminum carry case adds a touch of class and convenience. It's the gift that keeps on giving, providing countless hours of entertainment and bonding. Ready to level up your family game nights? The Mexican Train Dominoes set by Spin Master is your ticket to endless fun and memories. Click the link in the description to grab your set today and let the games begin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on games and family-friendly fun. Until next time, happy gaming.